Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is February monthly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you in February. So Cancer, what are the messages for you? Knight of Swords, Wheel of Fortune and Six of Wands. And Death, Fool and the High Priestess. Four of Pentacles, you are holding back. Yeah, even though you have emotions for your person, you are holding back for some due to trust issues. Maybe you are holding your money to put in some other businesses or to invest. Yeah, so let's see your reading. Recent past, Knight of Swords, Wheel of Fortune and Six of Wands. Yeah, you are getting recognition for your hard work. You are getting success and everyone attracted towards you because Six of Wands energy is here and things are turning out in your favor in recent past. It is not, it is going to be. And the Wheel of Fortune is here. Someone is rushing towards you to talk with you. Someone is coming towards you. Cancer. Yeah, if you are in separation, they are rushing towards you to talk with you. So right now, the Death, the Fool and High Priestess. You are listening to your higher self. You are listening to inner voice. And the Death card is the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. Maybe you want to ending something with someone for some, and you are undergoing some transformation. After the transformation, your energy is very active. You are living in the present moment and you are seeing life in a unique way, and you are listening to higher self more than anyone else. What I'm seeing here, you are listening to your and you are trusting your intuition. Okay, so Cancer, trust your intuition, listen to your inner self. That is the message. And future energies, the world, Five of Cups and the Temperance. Definitely for some there is separation. Maybe you are feeling sad for something or for someone. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. The same cycles are repeating between you and your person again and again. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. I think patience is the key here. You achieved balance and you are in your control right now. And you are spiritually awakening also here, Cancer. Yeah, you achieved balance. Yeah, you overcome this pain. Maybe you are in this pain, you overcome this pain and you stand by your power. You are patiently waiting for something or someone, what I'm getting here. Yeah, so the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio or Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Under the deck, Three of Pentacles. Maybe in past there is no collaboration between both of you. There is no partnership. But now your person want partnership with you and they really want to work on this relationship. Yeah, they want collaboration with you. Cancer. If you are in relationship with this person, they want to take this relationship to next level. So let's see your person near current feelings towards you first, then actions we will see later. So Cancer, your person current feelings. Yeah, Queen of Swords, Judgment and King of Pentacles. Yeah, they're going to be make some decision and they want to communicate with you. And King of Pentacles, they really want to offer stability. And under the deck, Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. Maybe in past, you were only the person always investing, always taking care of this connection. But now they're realizing you both. Now they're ready to work on this relationship. If you let them in, they're thinking about to offer stability to this connection and they want to give clarity. Communication is coming. So let's see the near future actions towards you. So one card is felt two cards. 1 minute, guys. Oh, sorry. The Lovers and Wheel of Fortune. But I am not taking because two cards. So yeah, there is love between both of you, and Wheel of Fortune. Maybe your person waiting for the right time to come towards you. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Cancer. Communication, yeah. Stability. Yeah, wow. See how beautiful the cards are. 8 of Wands, 10 of Pentacles, and the Fool. They really want brand new beginnings with you. They are going to be make action very soon. Lots of communication is coming in your way. You both will communicate back and forth. They really want to express the true feelings to you because 8 of Wands is here. Communication is coming. And 10 of Pentacles, they really want to offer stability to this connection, and they want to take leap of faith. If there are some trust issues between both of you, they want to take leap of faith, and they are fantasizing about you a lot. I think this is not about options because according to these cards, the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. But communication is coming very soon. Yeah, High Priestess, intuition. Yeah, they're trusting. Tower. They're missing you so much. Without you, they're feeling like this, and they're feeling sad for the separation. You both are on the same page because 5 of Cups, and you also got the same card, 5 of Cups. You both are missing each other a lot, and they are also trusting their intuition. Yeah, I think your guides want this relationship, and your guides are guiding both of you. So let's see. Wow. Communication, apology, and 8 of Wands again. Lots of communication is coming in your way, and there is some changes also coming in this relationship. The Sun, definitely there will be reconciliation. Page of Pentacles, first there will be communication, some apology is coming. Page of Pentacles. Yeah, I think intuition. There is this bond between both of you is unbreakable bond, and there is a lot of movement is coming in near future. Lots of communication, and for some children's also involved in this connection. Yeah, lots of communication. So you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your overall energy for the month. Cancer. You may be at some crossroads right now. You don't know which decision how to make. You want clarity. You deserve best. Even though they don't offer what you deserve, you will cut them off. You stand by your power. You are very grounded. And 10 of Pentacles. But stability is coming. Yeah, they will coming back to offer stability, not in and out of your life. Now they realize you both. Now they're ready to offer stability. Yeah. You are very clear about that. If they don't offer what you want, then you will cut them off. Because you deserve best, Cancer. So let's see your person overall energy. Lot of cards. 3 of Pentacles, but I'm not taking. They want to really work on this relationship. So your person overall energy for the week. Sorry, for the month. Because this is monthly reading. Yeah. They want to really invest on this connection. 7 of Pentacles. They want to offer equal give and take. Commitment. Want to express their feelings. See how cards are connected with each other. They really want to express their feelings. Maybe in past they are having hard time to express their feelings, but they really want to offer commitment. They really want to commit to you. Maybe in past they are non-committal, and they really want to be equal give and take in this connection. Somewhere and somewhat they also invested in this connection, and they want to grow with you. Yeah, they're coming back. Lots of communication. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Cancer, your messages. Look at the bigger picture. Wow. The full moon is Sagittarius especially. So if you are not seeing any results what you are doing, if you are doing hard work towards your goals, but you are not seeing anything, but look at the bigger picture, definitely something big is coming in your way. Your hard work will pay off. Definitely be consistent, do hard work. So in relationship also there will be some movement, definitely will come, but you are not seeing, but it is coming. There is lots of communication is coming in your way, Cancer. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.